Oh no! All right, crash course. Why is the cotton gin important? It speeds up cotton production. Why was cotton production so slow? Because the seeds grow within the plant. You have to actually separate the seeds out of the plant, and that had to be done by hand. The best comparison I could think of would be like when you do laundry and socks get stuck inside your shirts and your shirt sleeves, you have to actually pull them out by hand. Think about if your long sleeve t shirts were jammed with like tons of these little baby socks, just baby socks all up and down the sleeves. And you have like 30 shirts full of baby socks you got to be pulling out of the sleeves. That's what it was like to sort cotton. Balls of this stuff, kind of similar, looks like the baby socks, right? So we have a ball like this, inside of it, tons of little bitty seeds you had to pull out of it to make it so the cotton could actually be processed, spun into thread to make things like this nifty t-shirt or these baby socks. The cotton gin, however, when Eli Whitney invented that, made a little mechanism that actually knocked the seeds out of it, so you just were left with clean cotton. That's going to explain our next part on the slides here. This has been a NeiweemTube crash course. Just wanted to catch up to why we needed cotton gins in the first place. Fun fact too, Eli Whitney also made guns with interchangeable parts. First guy to do that. That's a lesson for another time.